Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and in this video I will be unboxing the mid-range Samsung J4. This is the front of the packaging, here is the protective seal, and here is the back. Some info on this device. It has 32 gigs of internal storage, a 5.5-inch HD Super AMOLED screen, a 13 megapixel rear camera, a 5 megapixel front camera with LED flash, 2 gigs of RAM, 1.4 GHz quad-core processor. This does include 4G LTE. The color is a very interesting lavender shade. More on this later. Let's get this open. I will put the phone aside for now. Let's take a look at the accessories. Here is your quick start guide, a travel charger, micro USB cable, earphones, and the battery is a 3000 milliamps. Let's install the battery. As mentioned earlier, this device comes in this lavender shade. Personally, I think it looks more like a silver to me. In any case, it's not a bad looking device. You open the case like so. Installation for the battery is super easy. As you can see, here's a slot for a micro SD card. I'm a huge fan of expandable storage. Now reinstall the cover. Let's test the device and see if it has any power. Vodacom is the carrier that the phone was purchased from. All in all, build quality feels good. This has a good size screen while still keeping the phone slim. If you're looking for a mid-range phone that won't break the bank, I would recommend considering this device. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you will be notified when I release new content. And let me know in the comments below your thoughts on mid-range phones.